Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Al-Qura Public School online classes. How are you all? Hopefully you're fine and doing great at your home with your families. As you know that we are suffering with pandemic, so we have to take care of ourselves and everyone around us. So beta, now I would like to congratulate you for the month of Ramzan as we have entered Alhamdulillah in the month of Ramzan. So we have to offer our prayers, we have to fast, and we have to pray for our country, for ourselves, and for the people who are suffering with coronavirus. So let's start our today's topic. But before that, I have to mention it's your English literature lecture. I am your English teacher Anam. Your textbook is read now, and the topic the story of a river. As you know that we have completed reading and back exercise of this chapter. This chapter was about the river, how it starts, how it moves, and how its journey from mountains to sea. Okay, it becomes a stream. After that, it becomes a bigger stream. Then it become a river when other tributaries join it, and then it goes to villages, cities, and at the end, it found out himself holding many ships. It was a wonderful moment for the river, but river was sad because it was dirty now and polluted due to the lack of attention we don't pay to our water and our earth as well. And in the end, it was happy cause it met with sea. So now we will do our first exercise, words meaning. Okay, number one word is burst out. Burst out means sudden release or to appear suddenly. Sudden release or to appear suddenly. I'm going to show you the picture of burst out. Look at the image of the water bursting out from the earth. You can see it. It's a sudden release or to appear suddenly. Burst out, sudden release. Water is coming or leaking from the pipeline, I think. It's burst out. Okay. Now the next word. Second word is whispered. Whispered, to speak in low voice. What is the meaning of whispered? To speak in low voice. Now I'm going to show you the image. Basically, whispering to speak in slow voice, it's an expression obviously. So I am trying to show you the image how to whisper. So the girl is talking to the other girl in her ear. They are talking in very slow voice or very slowly that no one else can hear them. So it is called whispering. Next word is grazed. Grazed, to eat grass. Grazed, to eat grass. Now I'm going to show you the image of grazed as well. Look at the horses. They are in a meadow and they are eating grass and they are grazing actually. The word is grazing. They are eating grass. Graze means eating grass. The next word is cheerful. Cheerful, happy, joyful. Happy, joyful. It is also an expression. Okay. So now I'm going to show you the picture of cheerful. As you can see in the picture, this cartoonic image is cheerful, happy or joyful, and these are all expressions of cheerful or joyful. They are happy, as you can see by their laughing faces. The next word is mourned. Mourned, to express pain. What is the meaning of mourned? To express pain. It is also an expression. So I can't show you the picture of mourn. When people are feeling pain, they moan or they make a noise. It's called moan. Express pain. Steamers, steamships or steamboats. Boats which work on steam from the water is called steamers. Now I'm going to show you the picture of steamers. Look at this boat. This is a steamboat or a steamer. It works with steam, obviously. The next word is hustle and bustle. Hustle and bustle, a state of great activity. You have seen many malls, and maybe you went to a market. You can see many people are wandering from one place to another, and they are in great hurry. It's called hustle and bustle. Okay. Next word is suddenly. Suddenly, quickly and unexpectedly. Quickly and unexpectedly. Swept, to move, to remove or to take away. If you remember, it is the third form of sweep. Sweep the floor. We remove or take away the dirt from the floor. Proud, feeling honored. Proud, feeling honored. I'm going to show you the picture of proud. It is also an expression when someone feel honored. It's called proud. As you can see that everyone in this picture is admiring the person, and the way he's standing is showing that he is feeling proud. Okay, now you have to prepare your page properly. Do your work in neat handwriting. Draw margin line, underline topic and exercise. Okay, how you are going to maintain the page, you will mention chapter number after that topic, which is the story of a river. Next is exercise number 1. Write down the meanings. After completing this word, this is your classwork, and after that you will make sentences from the words with the words from words meaning. All the words I have already explained you. I have shown you the picture of the all the words. Now you have will make sentences from the words of words meaning. Okay. One thing keep in mind, I am continuously repeating again and again that kindly don't use Google to make sentences. I am requesting from parents as well. Don't give your child full control of your cell phones. When they make sentences, they don't have any sense what they are writing. You know, you have the sense. Okay? So please make sure that they are making sentences in presence of you and you read it, what they are writing. Most of the time sentences are not good, they are not suitable for kids, so please take care and be careful while your kids are using cell phones. I have so many sentences which are not suitable. So this is the end of our class. If you have any kind of problem related to the chapter, related to the subject, I am always available. You know how to contact me. So take good care of yourself. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.